it's Migs with Market Open. I wanted to talk about today about how I set up my Thinkorswim charts. So I recently got a question on how do I set up my charts. So I have a different monitor over here with 9 different charts, but more specifically on how I set up my moving averages. So I know it can get kind of confusing because Thinkorswim is a very all-in-one type platform. It has news and different dashboards. You can have level 2 and all that stuff. So let's take it step by step. So the way that I set up my charts is very simple. I have a 9 moving average with a 5-minute chart, and then I have VWAP on there, very important. And then on my daily chart, so over here on the left, I have the 50-day moving average, and then I have the 200-day. I mainly just use that in the mornings just to be able to draw out my levels and just know where those things are, and I have it marked out on my chart if they're very close. So I mark them out over here if they're close. So let's get started here with the 5-minute chart. So we'll click on up here on studies, then go to edit studies. Now the first thing we're going to put on here, let's put on VWAP. So all you got to do is just type in VWAP over here on this and then just add selected. And then to be able to edit it, what you want to do is click on this little wheel. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take off the upper and lower bands. So basically the way that Thinkorswim gives it to you, instead of just having one, it actually gives you 3 lines going across. So you actually want to get rid of the top one and the bottom one. So you're going to get rid of the upper one, just unclick these boxes right here, go to the same thing with the lower, then go back to VWAP. I like to set mine to a white color, then I set the width, let's set it to 3, and just hit OK. Apply, and so as you can see, it's on here. It's actually a little thick. I might change the width a little bit. So width maybe to 2. All right. So now the next thing would be the moving averages. So moving, I believe it's under that moving average. Simple. Okay, so you're looking for simple moving. Actually, no, that's right. We're doing the exponential. Exponential, moving average exponential. So right here for the exponential 9. So same thing on here. So by default, it actually gives you the 9 already. So then what I do is I change that over to a yellow. So change it over to that. Let's see here. And since it's already default as a 9, I just leave it on there because that's the most popular one. But if you do happen to use like a 10, I don't know, the 8, the 5, whatever you want to change it to, you could just do it by clicking on the button or just switching it. So just hit OK, hit apply. There you go. So there's the 9 exponential moving average. Now let's do the same thing over here, but we're setting up the daily. We are going to do that with, we're going to put the 50 and the 200 on that. So all we do is go to simple moving average. We're going to add selected, hit the little wheel. There we go. So we're going to put the 50 on there. I'm going to switch this over to blue. And the shade of blue. And just hit OK, hit apply. And then what we're going to do is on the same one, just click on simple moving average and you're going to add another one. So then just hit the wheel again, switch this over to the 200. I usually do mine with a darker color, so let's just do some hue down here. I don't know, ish, something like that. Switch that over, hit apply, hit OK. There you go. And then you're able to mark out your levels. So let's just say that today PBI was gapping up a little bit. So what I would typically do is, since the 200 moving average is right here, what I would do is just I would mark it out right at 1329. So hit that, hit 1329, and then I change this dotted line over to white so I know that it's a moving average. So I know it's a major moving average. So now I know that besides this area right here, PBI basically has no resistance right there. Yep. So if we get, as long as we get above that line, the moving average in this line, I think we should be pretty clear till about 1584. So as you can see, it cleared both of those things. And it went up a little bit higher. Unfortunately, it didn't clear 1480, came down a little bit. but it's whatever. I actually ended up not taking any trades today. Didn't see anything that I liked too much. I should have taken this PBI, but I didn't see it. But either way, so hopefully that helps you guys out on setting up your charts and marking out your levels. If you do have any questions, make sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If this video does help you, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And also make sure to sign up for our Facebook group. So our Facebook group is completely free. I post my daily watch list on there, answer a whole lot of questions on there basically on a daily basis to be able to help you guys out. And it's a community of like-minded people to kind of just share ideas and see what we're trading. There's different investors, swing traders, day traders, all those are in there. But yeah, like I said, I guess I'll talk to you guys next time.